Hey y'all, remember my 4x4 raised cedar bed that broke? Well, I hate to be wasteful, so after taking it apart and separating the pieces, I got 12 of the 48-inch pieces and cut the tapered ends of one side. I then cut 6 pieces at 17 inches and 4 pieces of 2x2s at 11 inches, which I forgot to record. I left an inch from the top and connected the 48-inch pieces to the 2x2s with this handy dandy nail gun. After connecting all 4 corners with the 2x2s, we then nailed down the 3 17-inch pieces on each end. So after it was completed, my husband decided he wanted to try the Shou Sugi Japanese method of burning cedar wood to weatherproof it. It's supposed to enhance its durability. This method was actually brought to my attention with a comment left on my YouTube, so thank you, you know who you are. Everyone who's left me comments on all my social media platforms have actually been so thoughtful, helpful, and insightful, and I really do appreciate it. Of course, some of the pieces came apart a bit while he was burning it because we were moving it around, so when we were finished, he went ahead and drilled in some screws to make it more secure. I then leveled and measured to adjust it to be as even as possible. I added worm castings and dirt booster to the very bottom, hoping this will help this rock hard dirt of ours. And then I filled it with the soil and leaves from the old bed I had. I added this premium organic compost at the top. And there you have it, I repurposed my bed. If this helped you in any way, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching.